Are you tired of constantly asking your parents for pocket money? What if I told you that you could start earning independently right from the comfort of your home? Sounds exciting, right? Welcome back to Smart Coinage. In today's video, I'll walk you through the smartest and most practical ways teenagers like you can start making money. 1. Monetize your skill. Do you know how to edit videos, design graphics, write compelling content, or code? If so, freelancing could be a great starting point. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Freelancer allow you to earn by offering these services. And if you're a complete beginner, don't worry. Plenty of free resources on YouTube and online courses can help you develop a skill. Even something as simple as designing YouTube thumbnails or Instagram posts can generate income. 2. Content creation. If you enjoy sharing knowledge, entertaining people, or expressing your thoughts, consider starting a YouTube channel, Instagram page, or podcast. You don't need expensive equipment, just your smartphone and creativity. Choose a niche, whether it's finance, gaming, technology, fashion, or self-improvement, and consistently create valuable content. As your audience grows, you can monetize through AdSense, sponsorships, and brand collaboration. 3. Faceless content. Not comfortable showing your face? No problem. Faceless content is a fantastic alternative. Many creators earn by producing videos using stock footage, animations, or simple voiceovers. Tools like Canva, Pictory, and InVideo make this process seamless. 4. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is another great way to generate passive income. Simply share product links from platforms like Amazon, Flipkart, or ClickBank, and earn a commission for every purchase made through your link. Leverage social media, blogs, or even WhatsApp groups to promote these links effectively. 5. Selling digital products. Imagine creating something once and selling it multiple times. That's exactly what digital products allow you to do. Whether it's ebooks, study notes, templates, or stock photos, platforms like Gumroad and Payhip make it easy to sell your creations with zero upfront investment. Stay consistent and watch your income grow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Smart Coinage.